Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to talk about the phone camera holder what I ordered from Amazon. Now I'm about to open so you see how it looks. Keep watching. Yeah, this is how it looks, and now I'm about to show you how you can fix the handy. Yeah guys, I'm a lucky winner. I got a gift card from Amazon, €5. Oh, this is like a Christmas gift from Amazon. Thanks to Amazon. And now I'm about to show you guys how it looks. Yeah, now this is like a key where you can open and you can rotate it to whatever place you want or whatever corner you want. You can roll it around. And here, this is how you fix your phone, like this. Then it's hot. When your phone is on it, you can turn it how you want, take it back around like this. And it also came with a remote for the camera. When you want to make a photo from far, you can and this is the place where you on the camera. When you on the remote, it must be green like this, like blinking. Now you go to your phone and search your Bluetooth, you scan and search for the Bluetooth stuff from the phone. Now you go, now it's showing already BT4. Then you connect to BT4. You have to wait for a few minutes. It's connecting again. Now it's connected, then you go back. Now with the camera, you can make video or photo. You see, when you click it from far, you can make your videos, make your photos, and it's done. That's how it works. If you want to order the phone camera holder, I'll put the link down in the description box below. And if you have any question, please write me in the comment section and I will answer all your questions. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. See you next time, and watch other of my videos for cooking, African food. Thanks for watching. Bye.